In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your file to PC in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly which download option to pick and how to fine-tune the settings so your design looks great on your computer. Start by opening the project you want to save. With your design on the screen, head to the top right corner and click the Share button. A small menu will pop up. From there, choose Download. This opens the download panel where you'll decide the file type and adjust any relevant settings before saving to your PC. You'll see several file types available. Pick JPG if you want a smaller image file for quick sharing or web use. Choose PNG if you need higher quality or a transparent background, which is great for logos and graphics. PDF standard is best for documents you'll view on screen, while PDF print is ideal for professional printing. It preserves higher quality and, if available, you can enable crop marks and bleed for accurate trimming. SVG is a vector format useful for crisp scaling in design software. MP4 is for animated or video designs, and GIF is for short looping animations with no sound. PPTX exports your design as a PowerPoint file you can present or edit in presentation software. Depending on your plan, some options might be limited, but the panel will show what's available. Once you choose a format, check the settings beneath it. For images, you can adjust the size or quality slider. Higher values look better but create larger files, while lower values keep the file light for faster sharing. For PNG, you can toggle transparency if your design needs it. For PDFs, you can select standard or print quality and choose specific pages if your project has multiple pages. For videos and GIFs, pick the resolution and, if needed, shorten the export range to only the parts you want. If there's a compression option, turning it on reduces file size at the cost of some detail, which can be helpful for email or web uploads. If your design has multiple pages, use the page selector to export everything or just the pages you need. Double-check your settings, then click Download. Canva will prepare your file, and it will save to your computer's default downloads location. Larger files, especially videos, may take a bit longer, so let it finish processing. That's all there is to it. Open the file to confirm it looks right, and you're ready to share, print, or present your work.